Viewers, you can see a group of people who started their celebration of Holi. You can see they are mesmerized by the colors. You see here, that is the joy of India. That is happening in Bangalore. Okay, now we are going to the live space where a lot of things are happening. Come here, boss. You can see people are celebrating Holi in India. But other parts of the world, they are ravaging the war. In India, it is celebration time. Instead of fighting each other, we Indians are celebrating Holi. That is a unity in diversity of India. So you can see, hi, these are the youngsters, the Gen Z of India. They are celebrating it.
I'm not Gen Z.
Oh, okay, sorry. Okay, see, here also, this is a festival of color in India. Small kids with their parents. This is a big festival in India. So you can see people from all ages coming together. Here they have made a place where they can swim, they can immerse in water. See, a tanker is stationed here to do this spraying of water. One guy is doing. Yeah, this is a real Hakka. A baby king and his war dad. Okay, this is a family. They're also celebrating. Yeah, this is a togetherness that you can see in the faces of all these people. Okay, celebration here. Yeah, Swal maybe along with her dad celebrating Holi. Okay, that is there. Okay, yeah. See, all of them have brought their gears. Yeah. All immersed in color. It's an amazing festival in India. Hi! A person with a gun is playing with his dad and uncle.
Show me the
Please do not spread color towards the stage. It's really difficult to play.
Dear residents, please play the holy color in the between and the starting phase. Please do not throw the color towards the DJ. The equipment is very costly. If we are getting much more color to our DJ, we have to stop the holy. Please do not throw. Make distance. Security, please make distance. Security, please cooperate. Move the people away. The equipments are very costly. If we are getting more color, we have to stop the holy celebration. Please understand.
So there is a warning from the organizers for getting out of the square what they have allotted the land.